In the world of digital marketing, the opportunities are endless. From crafting engaging social media campaigns to optimizing websites for search engines, the roles are diverse and exciting. Whether you're a creative content creator, a data-driven SEO specialist, or a strategic digital marketing strategist, this field demands a unique blend of skills. It's about connecting with audiences, driving growth, and staying ahead in the ever-evolving digital landscape. So, if you're ready to blend creativity, analytics, and tech savvy, digital marketing might just be your perfect fit. I'm diving into the world of digital marketing, mastering SEO, SEM, content marketing, email marketing, and social media strategies. Building a strong online presence with professional profiles on LinkedIn and other platforms. Understanding the basics of SEO to boost visibility. Mastering social media platforms and their advertising tools. Developing content creation skills for compelling blog posts, engaging videos, and eye-catching graphics. Join me on this journey to elevate your online presence and reach your audience effectively.
I'm diving into the world of paid advertising, mastering Google Ads and social media platforms. Understanding the customer journey is key, targeting them effectively at every stage. Brushing up on my technical skills with HTML and CSS for website tweaks. Building a killer portfolio to showcase my achievements. Getting hands-on experience through internships and freelance projects. Ready to level up my game and make a mark in the digital marketing world. Automation is key in marketing. Dive into tools and techniques to streamline tasks. Enhance UX for better website usability and customer satisfaction. Analyze competitors' strategies for insights. Master branding to establish a strong online identity. Remember, ethics matter in all digital marketing endeavors. Stay informed, stay ahead.